On today's menu, an easy recipe that puts the power in cauliflower. Vegan cauliflower gratin.
Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now, if you like easy recipes like I do, be sure to download your free ebook that I put together just for you that has 5 easy, delicious, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. You can download that here or a link in the description box below. Now, this cauliflower gratin recipe is so easy and absolutely delicious.
Chop 1 head of cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. Blend in the blender on the lowest setting.
Now, if you have a food processor, you can do this all in one go, but if you're using a blender like me, just have to be a bit patient and do this in small batches.
Roughly chop 1 cup worth of broccolini. Preheat the oven to 350. Sauté pan. Medium heat. Half cup panko. Quarter cup worth of chopped parsley. Season with salt and pepper. Toast the panko until golden brown. Set aside. Drizzle with olive oil. Sauté the broccolini for a couple minutes. 3 cups riced cauliflower. Season with salt, pepper, few sprigs fresh thyme. Sauté for 5 to 7 minutes. Add half cup cashews into the blender. 1½ cups water. Quarter teaspoon pink salt. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Half teaspoon onion powder. 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast. Blend on high until emulsified. If you don't have a high-powered blender, you can soak the cashews overnight or boil them in hot water. Transfer the cauliflower to the baking pan. Cheese sauce. Sprinkle generously with the panko. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes.
While we wait for that to cook, I want to thank you very much for checking out my vegan ramen cookbook. There's a print version as well as an ebook version of this in the link above or a link in the description box below. And I want to thank you very much for your extended patience. I realize there's been some postal delays because of everything that's going on. But by the way, in that same link, there's also a free ebook that I've put together just for you that has 5 incredibly easy and unintimidating plant-based recipes for you to get started cooking today. Shameless plug over, let's check out that amazing cauliflower and cheese. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing.
You can now make this easy cauliflower gratin with absolute confidence.
that smells and looks absolutely incredible. That is the good stuff. It's just amazing comfort food, so easy to make, so delicious. That is really just comfort in a pan. That really nice warm cheesiness, and the cauliflower still has that al dente kind of texture and that bite, that crispiness from the broccoli, and that of course amazing layer of crispy panko just really finishes that off, and just absolutely beyond words, comfort food at its best. Definitely check out that free ebook I put together just for you that has 5 incredibly easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. And of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.